Students should do in quarantine days is a big question. How can they plan their unexpected long vacation in the way that it is useful for them as well as they enjoy also? I would like to suggest you something that you can try out. Like, see, when you start a day, you think when what all you have not done for a long time, but you like to do it. You just invent yourself. Maybe you like to read storybooks, what you have not read for a long time because you don't have time. You just care what you have never cared. Like you may be good in dancing, good in singing. You used to do it in school life when you were in lower standard, but you left it for a long time. So you please take special care for that. You can make, if you are very good, you feel in something, you can make a channel and you can expose yourself through YouTube channel. YouTube is the best way to express yourself. You can feel that like somebody is seeing what I like to do. I can show somebody what I like to do. I can guide somebody what I like to do. So it is a time you can take a special care about what you have never cared about yourself. Make your parents happy. I will suggest you, please make your parents happy. To see your parents may be good in not only you, your parents may be good, especially your mom may be good with many things. Like it is not only she is making tasty food for you and she is good in art and craft or something. She may not be good in art and craft and she may not be good in some specific thing like singing, dancing and all. But because of experience in life, they can share many aspects of life. They can share how to improve the behavior, how to take care of health and hygiene. Many things parents can do because they are, especially your mom can do because they are managing something or same thing again and again for a long time. So because of experience, they can be master for something. Please find out that quality and give them the opportunity to expose. So again, one best way to expose themselves is nothing but the channel you can create for them, and you can ask them to expose their qualities in that. They may feel shy, but you should encourage them all the time for doing that. See, you might not have thought how much effort she has taken to take care of whole your family, but in return she has not got anything. The major part of her day she is completely quarantined. Why she has not got any leave in her life. We have always given her the list to do, but we have never given her a holiday, not even once in 7 days, 15 days or 30 days. We feel to take holidays, and when we have long holidays we feel bored. But we never thought that maybe many of your mother, they are actually most of the day home quarantined and they have not got a holiday, complete holiday for many years of time. So let us join our hands together with our parents, remake ourselves the way they want to see us, and let us remake their life also. When you start a day, you can just change something in your day to make it little different. Brush your teeth in left hand. Always we are brushing. If you are not left, you are always brushing your hand in right hand. If you are lefty, brush your teeth in right hand. See, it is scientifically proved that if you do that, your intelligence level will increase. Brush your teeth with salt once in a day at least, and use finger for doing that. See, you all know lukewarm water with lime or ginger or lime plus honey is very good for fat reduction, and it is a precautionary measure for corona also. But what special thing I want you to do is make it and serve it for whole family members. It hardly takes 5 minutes of your daytime. Start a day, give some uh, give some feelings to your parents that you are taking some responsibility for the family. And when you are taking lime juice, that lime skin will be left out. Apply it on your face and force everyone to do that. That gives a very nice glow in skin. Can't you do it for 5 minutes? Can't you spend that 5 minutes time? Before you leave the bed, do 5 minutes exercise. Especially you give preference for neck and leg because that affects first before other body organs gets affected, because you will be busy in studies, busy in doing works. Next, I'll advise you always you should have a fruit, one fruit daily. But when you are eating a fruit, most of the fruits are good for skin. Just you can smash a little and apply for your face. That will give you the glow. Already you are sitting at home and you are not going, especially girls students, you are not going to parlor and all. So you want some glow, right? So for everybody, it is not for girls. You can just apply it instead of doing something specially. While eating, you can just take a small piece and you can smash it and apply for your face. I will advise you, please give relief to your mother. Sweep and mop your house daily without fail. See, you sweep daily, mop once in like 2 days. If you mop once, that is more than enough. But I must suggest you to do something, that is cook one item daily for your family members. And especially you take care of your mother's liking, what she likes, make it. One more thing I will suggest you, cook some vegetable at least weekly once that you have never liked before, like maybe bitter gourd. Because of taste you might not have liked it, but tomorrow who knows, we may not get vegetable, and in fear of not getting the vegetable in future, it may add some extra taste in that. Who can say, you may start liking it. I will request you to make some food like what especially you like pizza, pasta, chips at home. Tomorrow, who knows, maybe your taste you will be liking so much and you may not feel to go outside and have it. Evening, I will suggest you to do little prayer and meditation together with your family members. Insist everyone to do physical exercise at the same time of the day together. It gives a special feelings. Play some indoor games like Ludo, chess, Chinese checker by involving every family members. Students, please don't go outside without the urgent need. Maintain social distancing. Use mask. It is very much necessary. Dear students, you have opportunity to get a job, whereas all working people have fear to lose the job. So you are lucky enough. I will tell you to make use of day in some fruitful way which can show you the proper path in future. See, for getting any job, you need to be strong in aptitude. So you can join for some online courses for learning aptitude. See, there are some companies which uh, first of all, I will tell you, if you are going for company, if you like to go for company, you decide a company, uh, a dream company you decide, and you just analyze company wise subject need. Maybe one company specifically wants only 3 subjects to be learned. You should be thorough with only 2 or 3 subjects. So you might have studied that subject before only. Just brush up only those subjects specially. For that, if any online training is needed, you can go for it. You can take a topic, go through YouTube. There are many online courses available, like upcoming, according to upcoming need. These are the courses, machine learning to artificial intelligence. You can go for it. And one more thing I will tell you, if the courses are stressing you, you should not go for it. If you like the course, then only it will give you relief. So liking only will relieve your stress. If you like only, you must go. It is not mandatory or necessary that you must and should go for it. See, one more option, final year or pre-final year, many will be very good in coding. So you can make a small group and start with one small internship. In that case, you should not do all those things. Choose one option among that. Don't stress yourself. Whatever you like, you find out your liking and go for it. But it should be fruitful for your future. I have given you many options. These options are open. Every one of you are aware of it. But still I will tell, don't go for multiple options. Choose one option, 2 options. Until and unless it stresses you, only go for that many things. Don't go for a number of opportunities. Why I told you to take just initiation for kind of entrepreneurship things, because see, after 20 years we cannot predict our life. Correct. There is no guarantee of job for higher position. So today if you learn the ABCD of something, tomorrow it may help you to write a book. If you have to write a book, you must know minimum necessities. Knowing ABCD, if you need to write a book is nothing but your future need in your long future. Like sometimes God stress, it should not happen. If you don't have job, if you need to start something at that age of 40 and 45, it is very difficult to take initiative for something. You may have so much of experience, but you will be scared to take one initiative. So if you learn how to take initiative, that may be useful for you in future. And you all will be knowing, it is very sorry to say that there is no guarantee for private job in future. So it is a high time to take initiative for the initial preparation of government job you prefer. You may like some kind of job, you can search for many government job which you may prefer, and you can just take the initiative of how to get success in those exam. It is not easy, but because you have enough time, you can take one chance for that. My dear students, I will tell you to make a timetable, set your target. Timetable is nothing but see online courses I wrote, happiness of your mom for being with you, preparation for upcoming exam, cooking, everything. I'm not telling you to take a stress of making a timetable, writing day-wise percentage. What I'm asking you, all four criteria, maybe this is the minimum criteria for you, what you can set. Keep it in your mind. Date wise, give a percentage overall out of 4 how much you have satisfied. Maybe it is 50%, 51%. You just see the graph whether you are increasing or not. I am not even telling you day wise, topic wise you give a percentage, because it becomes a work, and when it is a stress for us, we don't like to do it, especially students. So day by day, you just only observe, give a overall day wise percentage in your mind itself. Timetable you can keep in your mind only. You can see when you set a target, it gives a different impact. What has to be done should be always set as a target. So you can see a sudden change after day 3 or day 4, where the percentage goes higher and higher. See, I am not telling you to do it for a for a thing like I have to do it. Okay, you just do it casually and give yourself a some points or percentage to improve it. See, making target, my main target is not to make target, is not to overburden you. It is only to appreciate ourselves at the end of the day, nothing more than that. I want you to appreciate yourself at the end of the day. Yes, I have spent a fruitful day today. So end of the day, you all must be able to appreciate yourself. You can make a timetable, and I can show you from the timetable. You have a free hours of 7 hours in a day which you can spend with your family. See, one more thing I will tell you, you are attending Zoom classes, many of you are attending Zoom classes or online classes, and you are having only pending one module. So what I will suggest you, how to get relief from the classes, you please take the responsibility from your side and show the responsibility to your teacher that some part of the module you can also do by yourself. Instead of attending 1 hour class, why can't you go through the topic what teacher is going to teach and just ask him or her the doubt if you have. I believe out of 3 questions, out of 3 topics, you may not have doubt for one also, or you may have doubt for one. So why can't you minimize 3 classes to one? If it is a topic which is related to the problems, like I am teaching you operating system completely through online, I have made a channel and trying to teach you completely through YouTube, because you can keep it in future and you can see it, go through it, use it as a exam preparation. So if your teacher is giving some videos, so you can go through it even afterwards, today even afterwards, so that will be very helpful for you, I feel, in future. So I suggest you, as soon as possible, you complete 5th module, get relief from the classes. This may, I don't know how it is going to happen, how will be the future, but still I will tell you, if you get more and more holidays, try to spend time with your families, try to do so many things what you could not able to do for a long time. And along with that, you must not forget to take preparation for upcoming semester exam and laboratory subject preparation also. My dear students, may God once give our original life back to us. Thank God for keeping us safe where people are dying. Thank God that you don't need to manage a job with the tension of losing it. Realize how much time you have. Corona is the reason for getting infinite time. Make use of infinity. We may not predict the world and life after Corona holidays. Pray again to God, give our original life back to us.